In a Create assignment in VoiceThread, you will be asked to create a VoiceThread in full. You will upload the slides and record comments on the VoiceThread, then submit it for your instructor to evaluate. When you first click into the assignment, you'll see all the assignment information on the right-hand side of the page, including the instructions your instructor has provided, an optional example for you to follow, the due date, how the assignment is being graded, and whether or not you have submitted it. When you're ready to start working on the assignment, click the yellow Start Assignment button. This will open up the page where you can start creating your VoiceThread. If you have already created the one you want to use for this assignment, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the link reading Use an existing VoiceThread instead of creating a new one. This will take you to a page where you can see all of the VoiceThreads you've created in the past. Just select the one that you would like to use, and then click Continue at the bottom of the page. This will open up the editing screen so that you can add more slides, and then click Continue and record comments. If you decide you would not like to use this VoiceThread after all, use the Back button to go back to the list, and then click Create a new VoiceThread in the top right corner, and that takes you right back to where you started. Now you can begin creating a new VoiceThread. Start by adding slides from any of the sources detailed here. You'll see a progress bar at the bottom of the screen, and your slide will process for just a few moments until you see a thumbnail appear. You can always add more slides, or if you've added everything you already need, just click Continue at the bottom of the page to open the VoiceThread. Now that we have uploaded one slide, we see that the first item in our to-do list is checked off. Our next item is to record exactly 2 comments on this VoiceThread. To comment, click on the Comment button at the bottom of the screen and select the type of comment you would like to record. After you have saved your comments, they will appear on the left-hand side of your slide. You will also see that the second item in your to-do list is checked off, and now you can click the Submit button. As soon as you submit, your instructor will know that you are ready for them to grade your assignment. When you click Submit, you will get a pop-up confirmation, and you can see on the right-hand side that this assignment is now listed as having been submitted. If you are allowed to resubmit, you can always withdraw your submission and try again. In addition, if your instructor has enabled the Student Gallery, that means that you can view all of the VoiceThreads that your classmates have submitted as well. When you click on that, a new browser page will open, and you can see all of the VoiceThreads that have been submitted for this assignment. To view one of your classmates' VoiceThreads, click View Thread underneath the thumbnail, and that will open it in a new browser tab. Here you can listen to your classmates' presentation and also record comments. When you're done with this VoiceThread, just close the browser tab to go back to the Student Gallery, and when you're done with the Student Gallery, close that browser tab to go back to the main assignment area. As soon as your instructor grades this assignment, you will also see that status updated here on this page.
We also have lots of ways to say really fast.